Picture this. A young man named Steve, fresh out of college, gets his first paycheck. He's thrilled and starts spending without giving it a second thought. Designer clothes, fancy dinners, the latest gadgets. It's a shopping spree that seems too good to last. And of course it doesn't. Before he knows it, Steve's bank account is dwindling and his credit card bills are piling up. Suddenly, he's trapped in a cycle of debt and regret. The thrill of his spending spree fades, replaced by the harsh reality of financial stress. It's a wake-up call that forces Steve to confront his reckless spending habits. He realizes that he needs to take control of his money, not the other way around. Steve's story is a stark reminder that not controlling your money can lead to financial chaos. But don't worry, it's never too late to learn the art of money control, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Steve, like many of us, never received a formal education about money management. And it's not just Steve. A large number of people step into adulthood without the necessary financial literacy, like stepping into a boxing ring blindfolded. It's a crucial life skill that's often overlooked in our education system, but it's never too late to learn. Imagine trying to navigate a foreign city without understanding the language. That's what dealing with money without financial literacy feels like. It's confusing, frustrating, and can lead to costly mistakes. But here's the good news. Financial literacy isn't about mastering complex economic theories. It's about understanding the basic principles of money management, how to save, spend wisely, invest, and plan for the future. The more we know about money, the better decisions we can make. It's about empowering ourselves to make informed choices and take control of our financial destiny. Remember, the first step towards financial control is understanding money itself. As Steve began his journey to financial control, his first step was to create a budget. Now let's pause for a moment and examine this concept of budgeting. Imagine budgeting as the architect of your financial house. It's the blueprint that shapes your financial structure, providing a clear view of your income and expenses. By tracking where your money comes from and where it goes, you gain control over your finances. A well-crafted budget is like a fitness routine for your wallet. It keeps you disciplined, helps you avoid overspending, and ensures you're saving for the future. It's not about denying yourself pleasures, but about making informed decisions. It's about knowing when to splurge and when to save. Remember, a budget is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a personalized tool that changes as your financial situation evolves. So, take the reins and design your budget. A well-planned budget is like a roadmap guiding you to your financial goals. One day, Steve's car broke down. This unexpected expense could have been a disaster, but Steve was prepared. Now, imagine if you're Steve. Your car breaks down and you're hit with a hefty repair bill. But instead of panicking, you're calm. Why? Because you have an emergency fund set aside for just such occasions. An emergency fund, folks, is a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. These unexpected events can be stressful and costly. But having an emergency fund can provide you with a sense of security and allow you to face these hurdles with confidence. It's like having a financial shield that protects you from the unpredictable blows of life. Building an emergency fund might seem daunting, but it's doable. Start small, save consistently, and before you know it, you'll have your own financial shield. Remember, it's not about the amount you save, but the habit of saving. An emergency fund acts as a financial shield against unexpected life events. Steve had student loans. He realized that if he didn't manage his debt, it would manage him. This is a common predicament that many find themselves in. But remember, you are not alone, and there are ways to break free. One of the most effective strategies is creating a debt reduction plan. Prioritize your debts, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Pay these off first while still making minimum payments on your other debts. Another strategy is to consolidate your debts. Combining multiple debts into one can often result in a lower overall interest rate. But tread carefully. It is not a magic wand. It requires discipline in making regular payments. Consider seeking advice from financial advisors or debt counselors. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. Remember, managing debt isn't about quick fixes. It's about making informed, intentional decisions that bring you closer to your financial freedom. Managing debt wisely is like breaking the chains that hold your financial freedom. Steve learned that saving money wasn't enough. He needed his money to work for him. So, what exactly did Steve discover? He stumbled upon the magic of compounding. Imagine you're on a snow-covered hill with a small snowball. You give it a little push, and as it rolls down, it collects more snow, growing larger and faster. This is compounding in action, but with money instead of snow. When you invest your money, you earn a return on it. If you reinvest that return, you start earning returns on your returns. This is the essence of compounding, and it's how wealth grows over time. It's not just about the money you put in, but also about the time you allow it to grow. The longer you leave your investments, the more time they have to compound and grow. Investing is like planting a money tree that yields fruit over time. The magic of compounding is that those fruits can grow their own fruits. Steve realized that without clear goals, he was like a ship without a compass. We've all been there, floating aimlessly in the sea of finances, unsure of where we're heading, but the power of financial goals cannot be overstated. Like a lighthouse guiding a ship, they lead us through the foggy waters of financial decisions. Setting clear financial goals is like drawing a roadmap for your money. Each dollar you earn has a purpose, a destination. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, funding your child's education, or planning for a comfortable retirement, these goals help you make strategic decisions about how to allocate your resources. Each goal you set is a step towards financial independence, a marker of progress in your journey. They help you stay focused, resist the temptation of unnecessary spending, and foster a sense of achievement as you inch closer to your targets. Setting financial goals gives you a clear destination to aim for. So plot your course and set sail towards your financial future. Scene script. Fast forward to today, Steve has control over his money, not the other way around. What a journey it has been. We've covered the art of money control, the need for financial literacy, mastering the budget, creating a financial shield, breaking the chains of debt, the magic of compounding, and the power of financial goals. Each of these steps is a crucial part of the journey to financial freedom and control. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Financial literacy is not just about understanding money. It's about using that knowledge to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. It's about budgeting, which is not a restriction but a tool to give you freedom and peace of mind. Remember the importance of an emergency fund, your financial shield. It's there to protect you from unexpected expenses, keeping you afloat when life throws you a curveball. Don't forget about the chains of debt. It's essential to manage and reduce your debt effectively to regain control of your finances. And let's not forget the magic of compounding. Through investing, your money can grow over time, working for you even when you're not working. Set clear financial goals and make a plan to achieve them. This gives you a roadmap and keeps you on track, but all this knowledge is only powerful if you act on it. So, don't wait. Take control now. Start by setting a budget, saving for emergencies, managing your debt and investing for your future. It's never too late to start, and the sooner you begin, the better. Avoid lifestyle inflation, where your expenses increase as your income grows. This can be a slippery slope leading to financial instability. Maintain a healthy and responsible financial mindset. Be conscious of your spending habits and make choices that align with your financial goals. Life is full of uncertainties, but one thing is certain: if you don't control your money, it will control you. So subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video to help others take control of their financial future too.